Today we are going to present about the greatest mathematicians around the world. I, Faizal Inatkan, is going to tell you about Pythagoras. Pythagoras was one of the oldest mathematicians in the field of mathematics. He invented the theorem called as Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle. For us to know about the right angle triangle and its length, breadth and height. Pythagoras was born in 424 BC, 1st October. He died at the age of 75 due to old age. He was the oldest mathematician to live a long life. He died at 23 November 529 BC.
I will from 1817 on Abel. Abel was the greatest mathematician in the Norway. He proved that there is no algebraic equation for the quantic equation. My name is Karney. I am from 8th grade. I am giving presentation about Ramanujan. Ramanujan was a great mathematician from India. He lived in Chennai, Madras. He said that 1729 is not a right number. He died at the age of 33 from tuberculosis.
I am Khan Hassan Fazal from AG giving a presentation on poetry about Hardy. Hardy was the greatest mathematician from England. He proved that there is no mathematical analysis of population genetic. He died at the age of 27 from tuberculosis.
Today we are here for the English activity Great Mathematicians. My great mathematician name is Pythagoras. He born in 569 BCE. His birthplace is Greece. He died at 490 BC at Metapontum village at Italy. He had 5 children named Arignot, Mia, Telegues, Dummer, and Manasseh. He had 2 siblings named Euonymus and Traianus. He created the Pythagoras theorem, which is used in maths. The formula is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square.
My great mathematician name is Lord Harold Hardy. He was born in 1877 and he died in 1947. He helped Ramanujan to migrate to England. He was died at the age of 70 years. He was a great English mathematician.
My great mathematician is Ramanujan. He was born on 1830. He died at the age in the year 1863. He was born in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. He gained honors from England. He died of tuberculosis. He told Hardy that 1729 seemed not like a dull number. My another great mathematician is Niels Henrik Abel. He was born on 1802. He died at 1829. He proved that there is no genetical solution to the quadratic equation. He died at the age of 27. He was a Norwegian mathematician. He lived in Norway. Thank you, sir.
Mathematician and scientist. First is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta born in 476 AD in Gupta era and died in 550 AD in Patalganga. One of his discoveries is approximation of pi, which is given by him. And zero was discovered, which was remarkable. Thank you.
Hardy. Godfrey Harold Hardy is born in 1877 and died on 1943. He invented the FAS of English
British mathematician?
Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton born in 1643 and Isaac Newton died in 1727. Physicist, great mathematician, astronomer and great scientist. Development the motion of universal and gravitational.
J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson planned ending model of atom. J.J. Thomson born in 1817 and died in 1863. He invented model of atom. Thank you so much.
Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei described the Golgi complex for the first time. He also developed the setting technique called black reaction. He also won the Nobel Prize in 1906.
John Ramanujan born in 1887 and died in 1920 from tuberculosis. He was a great Indian mathematician. His salary pound year. He lived in Madras, Chennai. His interesting number is 1729. The solution is 1 cube plus 12 cube and 10 cube plus 9 cube. Thank you.
Done?